Lifting with a unitized spine is very smooth. The pelvis swings back going down and forward coming up. Lightly tip the head forward to activate the core muscles which unitize the head, spine, and pelvis. Most of the bending occurs in the hips. The knees stay right over the feet while bending down. To come up, the knees release forward to swing the pelvis forward. This movement minimizes the pressure on the spinal joints and discs. To pick up a heavy weight, take a slightly widened stance over the object. Maintain pelvis-head unity. Breathe into back and sides to stabilize the lower spine. Bend at hips. Knees stay back over feet. Grasp object and swing knees and pelvis forward to lift. To lower the weight, use the same technique. Unify pelvis and head. Breathe back and wide. Swing hips back. Swing hips and knees forward to come up. When lifting a small object from the ground, it is sometimes more convenient to use one leg or the other. The head-pelvis unit and the left leg hinge at the hip to bring the hand down. The pelvis keeps on moving, and the forward movement of the knee, straight over the foot, starts lifting the unit back to vertical. The front end of the spine, the top of the head, goes first. The spine and pelvis trail behind. Here our model demonstrates good form in a one-legged pickup. Alignment and timing come together to lift the bag without missing a beat. No muscles are strained or joints compressed. When the top of the head goes first, the core muscles engage to support the three spinal curves. The neck, rib cage, and lower spine segments line up to easily and safely lift. When the face leads the movement, the upper core muscles disengage. Most of the bend occurs in the spine instead of the hips. The head-pelvis connection is lost and the spinal joints compress. Here is another example of leading with the face instead of the top of the head. No pelvis-head unity, pelvis movement limited by tight hip muscles, extra pressure on the lower back discs, false hip where the spine bends, overstretched deep spinal muscles at the hinge points, head tipped back resulting in overstretched muscles of the front of the neck. You can see here, overuse of the big lower back muscles disengages their opposition, the middle core abdominals. And now a recap with our old buddy Slim. Slightly tip head forward for head-pelvis unity. Press back with abdominals while inhaling. Set foundation with knees over feet. Bend at the hips. Swing knees forward to start lift. Follow top of head to come up.